Hi, I'm James. What's your name?
Hello. I'm Emily. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Are you in this class?
Yes, I just joined. This is my first day.
Welcome. Don't worry, the class is friendly.
Thank you. I hope I make some friends soon.
You already made one me.
Haha, thank you, James. That's sweet.
What subject do you like the most?
I like English. What about you?
I like math. But English is fun too.
Maybe you can help me with math, and I help you with English.
That's a good idea. Deal.
Deal. It's nice talking to you.
Same here. Let's sit together in the next class.
Sure. Let's go. Thank
Thank
you
you
for
for
watching
watching
full
full
video.
video.